Welcome. Now I'm gonna show you how to open downloads folders on your Google Pixel 9. To do that, firstly open My menu, then scroll down and find Files Application. Afterwards, scroll down. So of course you can find downloads right here, but maybe you wanna find the folder with downloaded files, because sometimes not all the downloaded files show in here. So you can scroll down and find internal storage. Afterwards, just scroll down and in internal storage find download. Here you will see all your downloaded files. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye. See you.